All right, we want to get right to it with Ryan because if I understand, we're still at the warmest part of the day.
Pretty much, yeah.
Just drop from here.
Numbers are going to be sliding this afternoon, Brian. I wanted to show everybody the snow totals that we had last night into very early this morning. Things played out pretty close to as expected. 4.5 inches in Freiburg, about an inch in Lewiston, Auburn, nothing really at the coastline. And then the jackpot up over Aroostook County, where we actually got 8 inches of snow. Up in Caribou, 7 in Millinocket, and 1.5 inches in Bangor. They did see some mixing with freezing rain there. Right now we have a mix of southern clouds outside. There are a few snow showers being generated by that westerly wind hitting the mountains, and a few snow showers heading into New Brunswick too. Mid-30s along the coastline now, but now below freezing from Lewiston to Waterville, and certainly below freezing up north. The wind is kicking too out of the west, gusting right now to 30 miles per hour in Portland and 28 in Waterville. That makes it feel more like the 20s south of the mountains, and teens and even single digits up north. So over the next 12 hours in central and southern Maine, those wind chills will be dropping into the single numbers. Other than the wind and the cold, though, we should remain dry through the afternoon. Just a few flakes up in the highest elevations. Overnight tonight, the wind stays up, so temperatures don't crash overnight. But that said, because it'll be windy tomorrow morning, you'll have a wind chill out the door. It'll feel much colder than the teens, which the thermometer will read. And during the day tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. It's windy for much of the day, 10 to 20 miles per hour with some gusts higher than that. Low 20s up north, mid 20s to the south, and could sneak into the low 30s on parts of the coastline. But when you factor in the wind, which will gust at times over 30 miles per hour during the morning tomorrow, it will feel colder than those actual air temperatures. Right now, Saturday looks dry, increasing clouds. Could be a late day flurry up in the mountains. Continues to look like a storm system on Sunday. Tracks pretty far to our south, though. So other than some snow showers, I don't really see us getting much out of that. But that storm will strengthen to our east on Monday and send down another shot of cold air for early next week. So temperatures fall back into the 20s for Monday and Tuesday, and it looks like we'll have a gusty wind both of those days, so it'll feel colder when you factor in that wind. Seas this afternoon, 2 to 4 feet. Westerly winds 15 to 25 knots with some higher gusts. So temperatures dropping out there through this afternoon. It's windy, lows in the teens tonight, but feeling colder with the wind. Partly sunny on Saturday. A chance for some snow showers on Sunday, especially favoring the coast. It would take a big jump to the northwest in that storm track to bring more of us into that snow on Sunday. And then it looks cold, especially Monday of next week, but it may ease up a little bit by the middle of the week. Usually we don't get too psyched about highs in the mid to upper 30s, but Wednesday next week, Brian, that may feel a little bit better.
We will get excited this December for that. All right, Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.